Rise and shine. All right, so, ooh, I do not know how to have this up here without falling. No, that's not gonna work. Okay, there we go. This is as good as it's gonna get. So, I just went to this Spanish place. Something Latino. Mercado Latino. Went in there to get some snacks. And oh, my phone's dead. My phone's always dead. Whatever. Oh, bought this. Yeah. You know. Hold up, it's actually getting hot. Okay, I woke up this morning and it was 45 degrees out here in Texas. My friend was like, no, bring your clothes that you would if you were in Florida. So that's exactly what I did. And I've been over here freezing ever since. So let me see if I can put you guys somewhere so you can see. This might work. That's not gonna work. This is going to work. Yes. This is super unsafe if I were to drive. But I want to show you guys the snacks that I got. Okay, pro vegan. So we got Churritos Diablo. Okay. Then we got, I love plantain chips, so sweet plantain chips. Now I don't even know what time it is, 2:18. I got 5 minutes to try some of this stuff. So we're gonna start with the Picostitos hot corn sticks. I'm excited. Yeah. Well, let's see how it tastes. Because the smell is interesting. So, it's smelling like
What was that?
It tasted like a meat tortellini with a bit of sweated onions in the background.
Jesus.
I don't even know. Hold up. Next. $2.30. I see why. Here we go. Sweet plantain chips. There's somebody in the car right next to you. There you go. Why are they smelling the same? What? I know why this is $115, guys. Oh, this car is so ridiculous. Okay, so my friend's car, the one that I'm driving, it literally like shuts off, then shuts back. Oh, okay. I gotta go pick up my friend. Definitely the Churritos over this. Sorry, just trying to do one of those, whatchamacallit. These aren't it, though. And I keep thinking, let me try it again, because it's like I want to think, but I don't think so. Like, okay, Tacky has like Tacky chips that are like this size. This is like its cousin, maybe. These aren't it though. Unfortunately, these are not the ones. Now, you may be like, yo Z, why are you still eating them? I'm gonna tell you one thing. I'm hungry.
I know that.
So
Right.
I'm gonna finish that off. I don't want to tell you guys how much I spent. Did she even give me my change? Oh, she did give me my change. Okay. $6.27 left out of 10. So just know that literally does not taste good, guys. 0 out of 10 recommend. Okay, let me go pick up my life is being crazy. Hey, Katie, I'm right by the Pizza Hut.
Okay, good. Alright, I'm gonna be out I'll be out like 2:30, okay?
Okay, I'll be right up at the front where I parked before. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's good. Thanks.
All right.